Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I have this crazy 8 tech combo that I've been doing a lot recently. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Oh, I missed the bind there, but oh well. We enter this video actually. We'll be using the Zenom for this tutorial, off in a 1.5 mount. Then you're just going to pinch in your index finger like so, and then just roll it over the yo-yo like that. As you can see, the yo-yo is just coming over both strings whilst being rolled from your throw hand to your non-throw hand, like so. Then you're going to want to continue this arc by rolling both your hands round and having the yo-yo come out from under the pocket you've made. So you're going swing, and then just bringing your non-throw hand over as you swing the yo-yo again. Right, and this creates this nice little repeater, which is called Crazy 8. Now, typically, I like to do about 2 repetitions of this Crazy 8. So I would go 1, 2, and then hit into this top string like so on the 1.5. This just creates a nice little like tonal shift in the trick. I think it just helps it flow a bit better. And then I pop out, right? So like an Eli hop where you unmount the yo-yo, but land onto a double or nothing instead. Double or nothing. From here, you're going to let go of your index finger on your non-throw hand, obviously, and then twist round like so. And then you can just recapture in that 1.5 mount. From here, you're then going to roll over once more, following that same arc and also making sure you roll around the, like, off your pinky tip sort of thing. Then you can untwist back into your 1.5 mount, unroll once, unroll twice. But on the second unroll, take your index finger out. Hand index finger, then push it into these 2 strings, making sure to miss this front string and underpass the yo-yo like so. You're then going to roll onto this back string, let go of that first string with your index finger, and that will also drop off the second string. And then from here, all you're doing is like swinging the yo-yo back onto the slack, popping off, pinching, and then creating this slack to roll into a reverse kamikaze. Then when you let go of your thumb, you're in an open string where you combine. And that is the whole trick. So yeah, if you've got any questions, let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, I'll go over it one more time for you, and then you can be on your merry way. So you're going to start off with 2 repetitions of Crazy 8. Pop into that top string, pop off into double or nothing, recapture, roll once, twice, thrice, and then pass through, onto there, and then use the slack to get into the reverse kamikaze and bind. And yeah, that is the whole tutorial. So if you've got any comments or questions, please let me know down below, or message me at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo on Instagram. Otherwise, like and subscribe and all that. Make sure to leave a hype. And yeah, peace.